Welcome back to Veganish and Naturalish. We're gonna discuss something from my quarantine diaries, and that is not going to nail salons. I have not been to a nail salon since March. And I was tight because I had just got a full set before the lockdown. So my nails grew out for like a month, actually like 6 or 8 weeks before I had to be like, okay, they gotta go. Now I have been getting acrylics for like 5 years. And when I took them off, my nails were so damaged. Like half of my nail, like on some of my nails, half of my nail would split down the middle. That's how weak and brittle they were. So I was like, I can't go back to doing acrylic anymore. As much as I love my girl, it's so hard to find a good stylist, a nail person. Y'all know how hard it is, right? But I can't do that anymore. And the reason why I always get acrylic is because my nails don't grow. Like, they only grow like so long and then they break off. And this is they're about at their peak length right now. And I've been wanting to try press-ons for a minute, right? But I can't do store brand nails. I can't do the store brand press-ons because nothing fit these man claws. Okay, I got man hands. And apparently I got wide nail beds. So I went on Etsy and I Googled nails for man hands. And like, you can measure basically, you know, like use a tape measure. And like, they give you this whole like system. I'll insert a picture on how to do it. But confession, I think I did that part wrong too. Like, I was trying to do the measurements and then I kind of guesstimated at some point. So we're gonna find out if these nails fit, okay? So this is what I got. It was wrapped in a cute little bow. I already took that off. They gave me a cute little thank you card. It's so sweet. They wrote a letter. I love when you order from Etsy. I feel like most of them do like a little personal touch, right? They know how to keep a customer. So in this set, okay, so it's glued down. But if you can see, they gave me the filer, some glue, and these are the nails. I even got a design on it. Now they look super cute. I ordered the short set square. So she has everything kind of taped down. I will say the only thing, because I sent my measurements, I guess she just sent me exactly 10 nails. Some places will just send you like a couple things to try. So I will say there may be a slight problem that I just have exactly 10 nails, which means they gotta fit. I have no other options. We'll see. But first, I need to clean my own nails up. So I need to give myself like a little personal manicure. So we're going to do that real quick. And then try on these nails, y'all. And pray that they fit. Oh my God.
Step 1, we got to clean these little crusty, dusty nails first. Step 2, we have to file my nails to make sure they're square shaped. I'm using a glass nail file that I ordered from Amazon. I'll put all the information in the description box. Next, it's time to soak my nails so I can clean the cuticles. I usually add tea tree oil to my warm water, but this time I'm going to use pure lavender to soak my nails. All right, so I'm cleaning up the cuticles. I even did a little hand scrub, and then I quick little massage with some lotion, like I'm at a day spa, honey. And then you got to clean off the lotion, so I'm just using some nail polish remover on my nails. The last and most important step is buffing your nails. This is what's going to make your nails stay on even longer. Now we're ready to apply the nails. Now I'm using Gorilla Glue because this was a tip that I got from a YouTuber to make them last longer as well. Then I have my cuticle pusher backer. I don't know, whatever the hell it is. But I'm going to do this for each nail, push the cuticle back, because this also ensures the nails fit properly. Now when you apply the nail glue, you want to make sure you just put a little dot in the middle, then you press it for a few seconds, and that's it. All done. Looks cute, right? But not so fast. You can see a couple of the nails don't fit right. If you look close enough, some of my nails are peeking out.
Oh, hello. Welcome back. She got nails and does not know how to act. Let me tell you, I have felt so naked without nails. Other girls, my nail girls, if you out there, you already know how it is when you don't have your nails. You talk like this. You be like, oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah. Like you just don't use your hands anymore. Just be like, yeah. So the other day I was walking, right? You get it. I'm so happy to have nails. So first reactions, reviews. I have stuff sticking to my hands because of that damn glue. Let's get into the glue. This is the Gorilla Super Glue Brush Nozzle. These nails will probably be on for the next 6 months. They're never coming off. They're not. This is some serious heavy duty glue. If you saw in the video, I was struggling to do my right hand. And as I was doing it, I had already put the glue on this nail and I put it up too far. I didn't get it far enough near the nail bed and I couldn't shift it. The glue, like once you put this on, that's it. Like if you mess up, that's it. It's stuck. Okay, you're gonna have to take it off next year. It's it. 2021, I'll get a new set of nails. But this glue is good though. So yeah, the index finger fits. It kind of fits. It's not too bad as the ring fingers. The ring fingers, you can see the size. And I was so disappointed because this has the bling on it. But she don't care. Look, I don't care. I'm so happy to have nails. I don't care, okay? Like that doesn't even bother me. Will I order for them again? I'm gonna kind of blame it on user error and not the person who shipped them to me. Because like I said, I kind of did some guesstimations. Because this is what you have to do. And I meant to do a video before I put the nails on to kind of show you a tip that I got and did not use. So don't do like me, okay? Don't be like me. The suggestion that I got from another YouTuber who did a press on nail video was like, obviously this piece, you can't really use that. It doesn't help when you're trying to measure your nails. So it's better to start, because you're going to use the millimeter side of it. It's better to start at like, say, 5 millimeters, right? So then you take it at the 5 millimeter, wrap it around your finger, you count the millimeters, and if it's 13, then you would write down 13, and you do that for each nail, right? And then, so that's what you do to measure it. Now, I don't know how I messed it up. All I can say is I had looked through so many different brands and options on Etsy and their sizes, like I said, it's kind of confusing. Like I'll put some pictures up there, but for me it was a little bit of confusion because you measure it, right? You measure your nails, but then you still have to pick like small, medium, or large, and then the large section will have, like, if you're a large, that means you need a size 13, a 15, a 17, a 18. Like, they have these categories. I feel like I'm making it sound like this is...
At this point, I'm like, let me just insert a visual, because the way I am explaining it, it sounds like calculus, like I'm making this way too hard to order nails. But as you can see up top, what I was explaining about measuring your nails in millimeters, you have the different sizes. Then at the bottom, you still have your extra small, medium, and large, based on what you measured in millimeters. So the problem that I had ran into was I knew some of my nails were actually kind of between a medium and a large based on what I measured in millimeters. So that's where I messed up and did my guesstimations, because to me, I was like, you know what? I'd rather go up in size and have to file down versus order a smaller set. So I just ordered a large to be safe, because most of my measurements ran in the large category. However, the large apparently still ran a little small.
I think the best thing to do, because they also sell, just random people on Etsy will sell a kit where they'll send you for like a couple dollars, where they'll send you like actual nails to put on and try, and then that way you'll know like this is my exact size. I think I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna order the kit first to do the sizing for me, because this tape measuring thing, no, this was not, it didn't work. But overall, I am happy to have nails again. Look, where am I going? We still on lockdown, kind of, sort of. Like, where am I really going to go anyway? Who's going to know? Oh, shoot. Okay, my battery's about to die. So that's it. Overall, I am happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you subscribe, hit the notification button. I upload videos every Friday. And thanks so much for watching. Yes.